Hello all, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how I take notes for maths. Before we continue, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and click the notification bell. Let's get into it. Let's start with the utensils. I use a notebook rather than loose leaf paper so that I can create a bound reference that I can use in tests and exams. Then I have a small ruler, a black, red and blue ink gel pen, a green Fineliner in 0.3 size, and a Sakura Pigma Micron in the size 08. Something that's a bit of a given but still super important is that you start with a title. You can use a brush pen, Fineliner, fancy fonts, underlining, whatever your heart desires for the title. But for maths, I just write a normal, large title with my blue M&G 0.5mm gel pen. Next, I will write the learning intentions or goals for the subtopic in green, enclosed by a thick black box. This isn't necessary, but I think it's super important to at least write down what the aim of your notes is, so that you can use it when you study or revise. Sometimes, such as in this example, I will have multiple boxes for the different learning goals. I use my ruler to measure a box 5 cm wide, 2 cm from the right edge of the page, and write the intention with my Staedtler 0.3mm Triplus Fineliner. I then close the box on either side down to the line where the goal requires. Now I am ready to actually write the notes. Starting from the top of the left hand side, I will write down the subtitle in capitals with my Anko black gel ink pen in the size 0.5mm. Then I will use dot points for key information, which I don't copy word for word as it's important to synthesize your notes in a way that makes sense for you, and boxes for formulas with my designated Mildliner for the unit. In this case, it is the gold colour. I use red pens for small examples and work my way through the class or textbook topic. Next, I'll come back with the highlighter to highlight the subtitles and anything else I deem important on that page. Then I move on to full work examples. The textbooks my school uses always provides lots of work examples, so I try to copy down most of it straight from the book. For the skill it focuses on, I will write examples in capitals with my red M&G pen and then continue to write the rest of the example down. Then I will put the actual question itself with the same red pen in this cloud type box thing, and then write the rest of the working out in black pen, highlighting the answers once the ink is dry. No matter your note-taking system, examples is one of the best ways to learn, as it shows you what to do in each scenario. While you can't actually find out the answers, as that would be cheating in your exam, you can see how it is with a different example. And that is how I take notes for maths. I hope you found at least something to take away and put into your note-taking system. If you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Also be sure to check out the description box for all the products I used in this video and my social media tags. I post new videos every week. See you next time.